In this video, I will show you how to use Base44 inside ChatGPT to build a master prompt for a fitness application. Let's get started. I begin by typing a detailed request into ChatGPT asking for a logic-driven master prompt that can be used to create a subscription-based fitness app. Once the prompt is ready, I copy the text and switch over to the Base44 platform. I paste my prompt into the field that asks what I want to build and wait for the AI to process the request. The system quickly generates a comprehensive blueprint for the app, starting with a detailed data model. This model includes structured entities for workout programs, nutrition tracking, and user profiles with specific roles and metrics. I scroll through the results to review the pages and layout, which feature a mobile-friendly navigation bar and a clean, functional dashboard. The AI also outlines complex business logic for things like subscription tiers and workout completion tracking. Finally, I take a look at the design direction, which suggests a modern dark theme with glass morphism effects and electric green highlights. This entire process allows me to go from a simple idea to a complete technical specification in just a few moments. Now that I have my logic and design ready, I can proceed with the next steps of my project. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.